Meet Marcus. He's in 6th grade and just got his math test back. He got the right numbers, but every single sign was wrong. Positive when it should be negative. Negative when it should be positive. Sound familiar? Today, Marcus is going to crack the code on multiplying and dividing integers, and by the end of this video, you'll never get a sign wrong again. Let's go. So Marcus is staring at his test, and he realizes the math part was right. But the signs were all off. Here's the thing. Integers include both positive and negative whole numbers. And when you multiply or divide them, the sign of your answer depends on a pattern. Get the pattern, get the points. There are really just 2 rules to memorize, and they cover every single multiplication and division problem you'll ever see. Ready to learn them? Here they are, the 2 golden rules. Rule number 1. Same signs give you a positive answer. Positive times positive is positive. Negative times negative is also positive. Rule number 2. Different signs give you a negative answer. Positive times negative is negative. Negative times positive is also negative. That's it. These exact same rules work for division too. Multiply, divide, doesn't matter. Same signs positive, different signs negative. Marcus wrote these on a sticky note and put it on his desk. Maybe you should too. Want a trick that makes this stick forever? Think of it as the buddy rule. When the signs are the same, like 2 positives or 2 negatives, they're best buddies, and buddies make each other happy. Happy means positive. When the signs are different, 1 positive, 1 negative, they're opposites, and opposites create tension. Tension means negative. Marcus started picturing 2 negative signs fist bumping each other, and suddenly it clicked. Same signs fist bump to make a positive. Different signs cancel each other out to make a negative. Boom, never forget it. Okay, let's talk strategy. When you see a multiplication or division problem with integers, do it in 3 clean steps. Step 1. Look at the signs and decide. Same signs or different signs. That tells you if your answer will be positive or negative. Step 2. Ignore the signs for a second and just multiply or divide the numbers like normal. Step 3. Slap that sign onto your answer. Let's try it with negative 4 times negative 3. Step 1. Both signs are negative, same signs, so our answer will be positive. Step 2. 4 times 3 is 12. Step 3. Positive 12. Easy. Let's do Marcus's first practice problem, positive 5 times positive 6. Step 1. What are the signs? Both are positive, same signs, so our answer will be positive. Step 2. Multiply the numbers. 5 times 6 equals 30. Step 3. Attach the sign, positive 30. So positive 5 times positive 6 equals positive 30. This one's actually the same as regular multiplication you've always known. 2 positives times together is just positive. Nice and easy. Here's the one that surprises people. Negative times negative. Marcus's problem. Negative 7 times negative 4. Step 1. Check the signs. Both are negative. Same signs. So our answer will be positive. Negative times negative equals positive. This feels weird at first, but the rule never lies. Step 2. Multiply the numbers. 7 times 4 equals 28. Step 3. Attach the positive sign. Positive 28. So negative 7 times negative 4 equals positive 28. 2 negatives team up and make a positive. Remember the buddy rule. Same signs fist bump into a positive. Now for a different signs problem. Marcus sees this on his homework. Positive 8 times negative 5. Step 1. Check the signs. 1 is positive, 1 is negative. Different signs. So our answer will be negative. Step 2. Multiply the numbers. 8 times 5 equals 40. Step 3. Attach the negative sign, negative 40. So positive 8 times negative 5 equals negative 40. Different signs always give you a negative answer, no matter which one comes first. Positive times negative or negative times positive. Both give you negative. Marcus is starting to see the pattern now. Great news! Division uses the exact same sign rules as multiplication. Marcus's next problem, negative. 36 divided by positive 9. Step 1. Check the signs. Negative divided by positive. Different signs. So our answer will be negative. Step 2. Divide the numbers, ignoring signs. 36 divided by 9 equals 4. Step 3. Attach the negative sign. Negative 4. So negative 36 divided by positive 9 equals negative 4. Same rules, same strategy, just division instead of multiplication. Marcus realizes he can solve all of these now. One more division problem, and this one's the coolest. Marcus sees negative 48 divided by negative 6. Step 1. Check the signs. Both are negative. Same signs. So our answer will be positive. Step 2. Divide the numbers. 48 divided by 6 equals 8. Step 3. Attach the positive sign. Positive 8. So negative. 48 divided by negative 6 equals positive 8. Two negatives dividing. Still same signs, still positive. Look at Marcus go. He solved 3 in a row without hesitating. The sign rules are clicking. Let's look at the complete cheat sheet all in one place. Positive times positive equals positive. Negative times negative equals positive. Same signs, always positive. Positive times negative equals negative. Negative times positive equals negative. Different signs, always negative. And remember, these exact same rules apply to division too. Just replace the multiplication sign with a division sign and everything works the same way. Marcus printed this cheat sheet and taped it to his notebook. Parents, this is a great one to practice together at home. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the most common mistake, the one Marcus made on his test. Lots of students see 2 negatives and automatically write a negative answer. Nope. Negative times negative is positive. 2 negatives make a positive. Same signs, positive result. Another common mistake is figuring out the right number but then forgetting to check the sign at the end. Always do the 3 steps. Sign first, math second, combine third. If you skip step 1, you'll end up with the right number but the wrong sign. Just like Marcus did. Don't be that person. Remember when Marcus got his test back with every sign wrong? Look at him now. He can knock out these problems in seconds. Here's your final summary. Same signs give a positive answer. Different signs give a negative answer. These rules work for multiplication and division. And your 3-step strategy. Figure out the sign first, do the math second, and combine them for your final answer. You've officially cracked the integer sign code.